Welcome to our first diagnostic assessment, and may God continue to bless you as you continue to believe that you are wonderfully made by God. Amen. So today we'll be looking at question number one, which is in front of us. You would have read it and you would have attempted the question. We are given this number, 14,702,853, and we are asked to state the place value of the digit 4 and write the total value of the digit 7. This question wants us to distinguish between what is our place value as opposed to our value or total value. So two different parts of the question, and it's important that we can answer these parts accurately. Now, the best way to identify place value is in writing out your position of these digits. And we're going to begin by drawing a simple table. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So let's see if we can occupy them in 8 positions along a simple table here, starting with the unit position. Then we're going to go to the tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, and we're going to occupy now the hundreds of thousands. Then we're going to go to our million position and our tens of millions. So having done that, we will now write in each of these digits. 1, 4, 7, 0, 2, 8, 5, 3. Now we are taking our time with this. So let's make the distinction. The position that the digit occupies in terms of unit, 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. Notice you are increasing by an additional 0 as you go along. Tens of thousands. Let's see if we have that correct. I put an additional 1, which should not be there, so let's take it off. Tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. The million position would have 6 zeros. And the tens of million, let's make that a little wider. That tens of million would have 7 zeros. Let's write it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, and then we put the 1. Now, so what you have just written in there, either in words or using your numbers, these are called your place value or values. So if the question zeroes in on the digit 4, state the place value of the digit 4 and ask you what is that place value, then the answer you should write is that it occupies a place value of 1 million. So the response, what is the place value of the digit 4? You can write it occupies the million position. So that's the place value, million. You can write it in words, or you can write your answer in terms of numbers. The million occupies there consists of 6 zeros. We do have the typing feature here as well, right? So if you wish, we can also type in our answer and make it look very plain. 6 zeros. That's the million position. The second part is related to the first part, but in part B, however, part B is asking us to identify, let's come out of this. Right, part B is asking us to identify the total value, or just sometimes you would see the word value, or you may even see digital value. The important word is you do not see the word place. Place has to do with position that the digit occupies. If they just ask you what's the value or total value of the digit 7, this is where you actually calculate, multiply the digit by its place value. So the 7 occupies a place value of the 100,000. So the total value here would be 700,000. And that is how we actually work out question 1. Remember, the objective is for you to be able to distinguish between the place value and the total value of a digit given a particular number, which is done in this case. So if you got that, well done. And if you didn't, we just continue to take note of it, and we thank God for that opportunity. May God continue to bless you.